Why does she keep doing that? She is pushing the door.
Why?
How long has she been doing this?
Since this morning.
Shelly, what is wrong?
Sorry. She is okay.
But why does she push the door?
I don't know yet, Anna.
Let me look something up.
She seems restless.
Restless, yes.
What does restless mean?
It means she cannot be still, like she needs something.
What does she need?
That is what we are trying to find out.
Mochi scared her.
She is okay now.
I found something. Turtles need natural light and soil and open space.
How much light does she get here?
Not very much.
I open the window sometimes.
Is she sick?
No. But she might be uncomfortable.
The light was not enough.
She needs real outside. Soil, grass, earth. But she lives here. This is her home.
Maybe she has two homes.
No, she lives here.
Jack.
Yes. And what do you do when you love something?
I take care of it. Taking care means giving it what it needs, not just what we want.
But I want her here.
Shelly, are you sad? I think she is sad.
No, she is not. Why do you think that, Anna?
Her eyes. They look far away. That is a very good observation, Anna.
She always looks like that. So, what do we do?
We could take her outside. For a walk, or more than that.
For a walk?
Yes? Or more than that?
There is a pond across the street.
No.
Jack?
No, she is not going to the pond.
Jack, we are not deciding yet. We are just talking.
I don't want to talk about it.
That is okay. We can wait.
Jack, if you were sad, would you want us to help you?
Yes.
Nobody is forcing anything, Jack.
Jack, what do you think Shelly wants?
She wants outside.
Yes. And what does that mean for us?
It means maybe she can't stay in here. Let's take her for a walk. Just a walk, okay? She likes the light. She likes the light. She is excited.
She can smell the outside.
I don't want to do this.
The pond is right there. It is okay, Anna.
Just a frog.
I got you, Shelly.
She sees it.
Yes.
Should we put her down?
She likes the mud.
She is going to go in.
Maybe.
Maybe not. Let's wait.
Goodbye, Shelly.
She came back.
She is not going in.
She chose to stay.
She didn't go.
No, she didn't. She chose us.
You picked us, Shelly.
Maybe she just wanted to feel outside. Soil, sun, air.
She was telling us something.
She was not leaving, she was asking.
I heard you, Shelly. I am sorry.
So, what do we do now?
We built her something outside.
We need soil, grass, a little water.
We have some old pots.
Wait there. We are almost done.
This is your sun rock, Shelly.
Her pond.
It's ready.
She is smiling.
Good job, family.
We listened to her.
Yes, we did.
That is what love is. Listening.
And making space for what someone needs.
I think she is happy now.
I think so too.
Hey, Shelly never pushes the door anymore.
Because she doesn't need to.
Does your pet ever tell you something? Tell us in the comments.